Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook feed for your site in Blogger. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they made is a Facebook feed. So what you want to do is click here, sign up free. Now you can sign with a Facebook or Gmail or mail, it's really up to you. Then click login. You're gonna see here applications. You want to write here Facebook, and you're gonna see here Facebook feed. So let's create a widget. Now you have option which widget you want. You can small widget, medium, large, Facebook posts. I'm going to choose the medium widget. Let's continue with the template. Now what you want to do is just easily connect it with the Facebook. Quite simple. And then you can change the layout, really easy and safe. So when you got it, you will have code, but right before that you need to choose a plan. If you're just starting out, go with the light version. If you're gonna have like more than 5,000 views or around like under 50,000 views, go with the basic pack, or you can choose also the pro pack. Also completely up to you. It's really simple. So what you can do now is this. You're gonna copy the code, go to your page. When you're in your page, you want to click HTML from Compose, paste the code here or under the text, between the images, whatever. Now click save, and then you can just easily preview, and voila, here we got perfect Facebook feed for your site in Blogger. Also, I recommend, if you're gonna like more applications here, you can check out like Instagram feed and others, YouTube feed, Google Maps, form builder, contact form. Just really a lot of amazing stuff. But these are the basics on what you can do. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And yeah, thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day, because you're going to save money if you're going to choose like 6-7 more apps. So that's it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.